Good afternoon, my name is Clarence, and today's how-to video is how to clean your battery terminals without any tools, and anybody can do this. The car is it don't matter what kind of the vehicle, but it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, and it's got corroded battery terminals, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to clean them. If you look at the terminals, there's corrosion here and there's corrosion here, and what we're going to do is we're going to clean these without any tools whatsoever, and it's really quick and really easy to do. It takes about 3 or 4 minutes. What you're going to need to do it would be a box of baking soda. I have a box of Family Dollar baking soda, but you can use Arm & Hammer baking soda, any kind of baking soda, and I got 2 bottles of water. Okay. And all we're going to do is I'm going to take this baking soda over the corroded posts. Watch what I do. And you can tell it's eating the acid up because it's bubbling. Everywhere it's bubbling there, this baking soda is neutralizing acid, okay? And I put some on this one too. Just about that much. Put it on there, let it set for, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 minutes until most of the bubbling and stuff is gone. And we're gonna take it, we're gonna go from there. Okay, just regular old baking soda. I covered that one with it, and I covered that one with it. Okay, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes. Next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna take the first bottle of water here, and all I'm gonna do is just dump the water, or pour the water over the, gotta make sure I don't shake the camera because there's a bunch of critics out there that said the camera was moving too much. Took the cap off, go with the first side first, and all I'm gonna do is rinse it off, right? Rinse all of it off. Okay, see, it's gone. And see, notice it ate the corrosion right up off the battery. Here's the other one. I'm gonna need the other bottle of water. Hold on, let me get another bottle of water. Okay, here's the other bottle of water. Notice I pretty much did them one at a time. And that's it. You can dry your battery. You can dry it, or you can let it naturally dry from the fan, from the radiator fan that'll blow the water off of it. I just made sure it wasn't in that cap. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a towel, get all the water off of it. Yeah, get it all over. And that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's how you clean your battery in 2 or 3 minutes with regular old baking soda water, and you don't need no tools. That was pretty much it. My name is Clarence. If you like the video, or you like the YouTube video, go to my page, hit the up button or the like button, or if you don't like it and something I could do better, just let me know by giving me the down thumb, and I'll go back in and see if I can make some corrections. I wear the shades because I don't like people looking in my eyes. Other than that, the next video coming out, let me know what you want to see, and I'll get one out there to you. Other than that, my name is Clarence. Peace. Have a good one.